So I hear we're getting a new CT machine.
Yes, we are. We're getting a Canon Quillion
That's very
Prime
nice.
SP. Very, very nice machine.
Good. So that's a great upgrade.
Yes, the last machine we had for about 15 years.
So it's time.
It's time. Yes.
So construction and parking will change for the
Yes.
next 3 weeks.
Yes, so while the machine's being installed, we're getting a CT mobile. It will be parked on the side of the hospital that has rehab. So we are asking citizens and patients, when you're coming for your physical therapy and your other rehab services, you would need to ask about parking when you're talking to your healthcare professional, because that will be blocked off for 3 weeks.
So it should go by pretty quick. So our installation will be done by May the 5th. So that's very exciting.
Yes, ma'am.
So May the 5th, we can start seeing patients in our new, or for our new CT machine.
Yep, May the 5th. We will be completing all the training, uploading all the protocols. We will be getting some new services. That's very nice for the citizens. So don't think that you have to reschedule. If you have an appointment for that time, just continue to come normal, because we won't have a loss of any services as far as CT.
That's wonderful that y'all have those great systems in place already.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us what a CT machine is in case someone has never used one?
Yes. So a CT machine is a X-ray machine, but it uses in beams of X-ray to get sectional radiology or sectional images of anatomy. So on an X-ray, you get one picture, but on a CT, you can get anywhere from 200 to 1,000 different images of slices of anatomy, so that you can see inside of a machine. Now, what's great about CT is that it is all mathematics. This particular machine had the math designed for it 20 years before the technology was able to do CT, by a gentleman by the name of Hounsville. He had the understanding, once we got fast enough computers to process the algorithms, CT was born.
That's wonderful. So we're so excited that it's going to be right here at Dorminy Medical Center.
That's right, for the citizens.
So you talked a little bit about the mechanisms of a CT machine, but this upgraded machine, what are some key features that patients can enjoy?
Okay. So first off, it will be faster, and it has a larger board, and the table can handle up to 650 pounds. That was a limitation with the previous machine, because we had to stop at 400 pounds, so we can accommodate more people, so it's not an issue. One of the biggest things is we will have a cardiac package. So for anybody who's looking to have calcium scoring, we now have that service. You don't have to go to surrounding counties to have it. We will also be able to do stroke procedures. We are partnered with Baptist Health, and we can now do CTA, CTP, which is all imaging of the brain, to help a person dealing with a stroke get the care they need faster, a lot faster.
That's wonderful, and our patients deserve that.
Yes, yes.
So how else will this impact healthcare right here at this rural hospital?
The biggest thing is now you don't have to travel. Everything you need, we are trying to supply the citizens. So if you ever have a question, don't be afraid to call and ask. Because now, instead of you having to drive 30 minutes here, 40 minutes here, or even up to larger cities, we can now do a lot of the imaging that's not available at some places because of the type of machine we have. So the biggest thing I would tell the citizens is, if you ever have a question, call, so that we can answer your questions. If we can't do it, I will guide you in what direction you need to go in. If we need to help you, we would love to help you. Just let us know.
Absolutely. And Don, can you tell them what number to call?
Yes. All right. So if you want to talk and ask general questions, the number is 229-424-7180. If you want to schedule an exam, you would dial 229-424-7225. If you have any general questions about the hospital, you can call the main line of 229-424-7100.
Absolutely. So, Don, thank you so much, and we're excited about our new CT machine that will be ready May the 5th.
That's right.
So it'll be here before you know it.
That's right. Can't wait to see y'all come and check it out.
Thank you.